In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Google Chrome browser in Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Google Chrome. You'll be having this Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser link. Just select this. And here we are having the download button. Just click here. Select allow. The download will be getting started. It is around 248 MB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just open it and you just need to drag and drop it inside applications. We'll be copying Google Chrome to applications. Once it is done, we can simply close it. And if you go to apps and just search for Google Chrome, we'll be having this. Open it, click on open. And if you want to make Google Chrome your default browser, you can check this. I will just click on OK and we'll be getting Google Chrome opened. If you want to sign in and use, you can do that. If you don't want to sign in, just select this. And now you can start using Google Chrome browser. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.